I mean, I grew up on a farm, so I was running equipment before, but this is how I wanted to further my education and like my career. So it was something that I took to see things that I liked and maybe that I didn't like.
Well, it gives you a lot of opportunities. Definitely gets you out of the whole school spectrum. You know, you go outside, you go do real world stuff, go dig ditches, trenches. You know, it's just a fun kind of sandbox out back that you learn.
So it's helping you like on things that you don't know yet, and maybe seeing like this is a piece of equipment that you could totally see yourself running as a career, or maybe these aren't something that you'd like to do, but everything that you run here, from a small piece of equipment to a large piece of equipment, they all are different in their own ways.
It's added a pretty big dent into the educational experience for me. You know, I started out not really knowing, well, I knew base model about everything, and it's helped me throughout it all and set me up for a good job in the future.
Even if you don't want this as a career, it can help you in your home life or anything that you like, maybe working on your own house or just being able to have this in your tool belt to go further on in life.
It's important to understand because, you know, it's like there's a bunch of places now, there's a bunch of companies that need your help and everything, and you know, the money's good, the pay's good, and you might as well try it out for yourself.
It's definitely the people, I think. The people always push you to be better than you were yesterday and help you strive to be the best kind of person you could.